Extruder Unit Front Cover Replacement Guide for the A2L. Always power off and disconnect power before maintenance. Remove the extruder unit front cover. Then, remove the silicone sock from the hot end. Open the hot end latch and remove the hot end. Pull the extruder wheel off of the front of the tool head. Remove the filament cutter arm screw and lay the cutter arm down. Remove the 4 highlighted screws from the tool head. Pull off the extruder unit front cover. Install the extruder unit front cover by aligning the bearing with the extruder gear shaft. Replace the 4 screws. Align the filament cutter blade carefully, move and hold the filament cutting arm into place, and replace the filament cutter arm screw. Install the extruder wheel. Install the hot end. The silicone sock, and the front cover. Verify that the extruder feeds filament smoothly without jamming. For more guides, tips, and troubleshooting help, visit the Bambu Lab Wiki at wiki.bambulab.com.